Right, so if you bought one of these on Amazon and you're wondering how in the world to install it, I'm going to show you an easy way. I looked up a whole bunch of videos and still couldn't really figure it out, but somehow I did it. The first thing you're going to want to do is unplug your battery, positive terminal only. This is for a 90 Miata that I did this on. I'm going to go under the dash here. Gonna disconnect your white uh, wiring harness, and I've already taken mine apart, but um, this is how you're gonna do it. So mine has two constants, so both constants are gonna be white. Your black and blue is going to be your starting wire. Your blue wire is your ignition wire. Your black and red is your second ignition wire, and your black and white is going to be your accessory wire, which is your lights, radio, all that good stuff. So mine, for the most part, is already all wired up. I just took it apart so that I could show you guys how to do it. I'm only going to be using this and the button. So take the button out. Take this out. Oops. Alright, so here's this. I'm using the cables that came with the kit. I ordered this on Amazon. It's like 20 bucks. Um, so there's your 12 volt constant, which you're going to want to connect to the white constant there. And the top one is going to be for your accessories. The bottom black is going to be ground. So first off, I'm going to start by connecting power to it. I'm going to grab this. It's going to go there. So just like this. Now you're going to grab your red and black, your blue ignition, and your accessory, which is the black and white. You're going to put them all together. You're going to grab your 12 volt, which is this right here. You're going to want to connect these four together. So just like this. Grab one of these. So it's nice and tight in there, because it is 4. Now, what you're going to have remaining is your blue and black, which is going to be your starter. That one is going to go to the start button. Now, when you turn this on, it's going to turn on your fan, fuel pump, radio, all that stuff. So now, here's the starter button. It'll come like this. What I did was I connected ground to both sides at the bottom. Ground, so my ground is coming from this cable, so that when I turn this on, it gives this power and this power, which will make them both light up. Once I turn this off, it'll turn the light off to both of them. Now to this top, there's 2 buttons up here, 3 and 4. 3 is going to go to your constant. I actually did this wrong, I'm sorry. So you're going to want to undo this again, because all three of these are going to go together. So blue and blue to a 12 volt to your constant. That'll give both of them power. Now, number 4 is going to go to your starter, which is the blue and black. Like I said, I have 2 constants. I didn't use the other one. I didn't use a relay. None of that stuff. This is just an easy way of doing it. So as you can see, I connected everything to 1 and starter to the button, and then my 12 volt constant is going to give power to the button and the switch. Now this ground is going in through 3 at the bottom, and the ground to the button is coming out through here. I currently have it connected here, but it could go anywhere that's metal on the car. I just have it there for the purpose of this video, so it's easier to show you guys. Now I'm gonna connect my battery and start this bad boy up. So as you can see here, once I turn this switch up, it should light up, and so should my start button. As you can see, once I flip the switch up, my radio, my AC came on, and my car currently isn't running. I'm working on fixing my fuel pump, but anyway, here it is.